Drop a bundle. Unpacking the meaning. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson on English phrases. In this video, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, drop a bundle. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. The phrase, drop a bundle, is an idiomatic expression which means to lose a large amount of money, especially in gambling or investing. It's a casual phrase that you might hear in everyday conversations or in financial discussions. Idioms often have interesting origins, and drop a bundle is no exception. This phrase likely comes from the world of gambling, where dropping could be seen as a metaphor for losing. A bundle refers to a significant amount of cash or banknotes. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are some examples. He dropped a bundle on that stock market bet and has been cautious ever since. I can't afford a new car right now. I dropped a bundle when I moved to the new house. Understanding similar phrases can give us more insight. Phrases like, lose one's shirt, or break the bank, carry similar meanings, referring to significant financial loss. Thank you for watching. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, drop a bundle, confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be an English idiom pro in no time.